Hello and welcome to this video on the economics of Domino's Pizza. Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world, and Domino's Pizza is one of the largest and most successful pizza chains in the industry. In this video, we will explore the history of Domino's Pizza, its business model, cost structure, pricing strategy, marketing strategy, and challenges and opportunities in the current market. History of Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza was founded in 1960 by Tom Monahan and his brother James in Ypsilanti, Michigan. The original name of the company was Dominic's, but it was later changed to Domino's Pizza in 1965. The company started as a small pizzeria, but it quickly grew as it started franchising in 1967. By 1978, the company had 200 stores across the United States, and by 1983, it had expanded to international markets. In the 1990s, Domino's Pizza faced some challenges, including declining sales and negative publicity. The company responded by changing its recipes, introducing new menu items, and launching a new advertising campaign. These efforts paid off, and the company started growing again in the 2000s. Today, Domino's Pizza is a global brand with over 17,000 stores in more than 90 countries. It is known for its fast and reliable delivery service and innovative menu items, such as the Domino's Tracker and the Pizza Emoji ordering system. Domino's Pizza's business model. Domino's Pizza operates as a franchisor, which means that it licenses its brand and operating system to independent franchisees who operate their own stores. The franchisees are responsible for the day-to-day operations of their stores, including hiring employees, managing inventory, and paying rent. In exchange for the license, the franchisees pay royalties to Domino's Pizza based on a percentage of their sales. The company also earns revenue from its own company-owned stores, which account for a small portion of its total sales. Domino's Pizza's cost structure. The costs associated with running a Domino's Pizza franchise include equipment, rent, labor, and ingredients. The company provides its franchisees with a list of approved vendors for purchasing ingredients, and it negotiates volume discounts with these vendors to help keep costs down. To maintain profitability, Domino's Pizza closely manages its costs and seeks to minimize waste and inefficiencies. For example, the company uses a computerized system to track inventory levels and order ingredients automatically when supplies run low. It also encourages franchisees to adopt energy-efficient practices, such as using LED lighting and energy-efficient appliances. Domino's Pizza's pricing strategy. Domino's Pizza's pricing strategy is based on several factors, including competition and customer demand. The company uses a tiered pricing system based on the size and toppings of the pizza, with larger and more complex orders costing more than basic options. In addition to its regular menu prices, Domino's Pizza offers promotions and discounts to drive sales. For example, the company frequently offers deals such as buy one, get one free, or discounts on large orders. These promotions help to attract price-sensitive customers and encourage them to order more frequently. Domino's Pizza's marketing strategy. Domino's Pizza's marketing strategy is focused on building brand awareness and driving sales. The company uses a variety of channels to reach customers, including advertising, social media, and customer engagement. One of the company's most successful marketing campaigns was the "You Got 30 Minutes" campaign, which promised delivery within 30 minutes or the pizza would be free. This campaign helped to establish Domino's Pizza as a leader in fast and reliable pizza delivery. More recently, the company has used social media and digital marketing to engage with customers and build brand loyalty. For example, Domino's Pizza created the Domino's Tracker, which allows customers to track the progress of their pizza delivery in real time. The company also launched an ordering system that allows customers to order pizza by sending a pizza emoji on Twitter. In conclusion, the economics of Domino's Pizza are complex and multifaceted. The company's business model, cost structure, pricing strategy, and marketing strategy all contribute to its success in the highly competitive pizza industry. As the company faces new challenges, such as changing consumer preferences and increased competition from other pizza chains, it will be important for Domino's Pizza to continue innovating and adapting to stay ahead of the curve. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained a better understanding of the economics of Domino's Pizza. If you have any questions or comments, please share them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.